besties, so I just got some new skincare goodies from YESSTYLE and let's try them out. If you guys want to shop all the products that I'm going to be using in this video, use this code right here to get some money off. And yeah, let's go to my bathroom. Alright guys, I have you on the tripod, but so this is the first thing that we're going to try out. It's the oil to foam cleanser, and it's supposed to be calming, moisturizing, and for all skin types. This is the packaging, I guess. And let's open her up.
A few moments later.
Oh, this is called Your Recipe Oil to Foam Cleanser. That's what I was trying to look for, the name of it. Ooh, this is cool. This is how it looks. And it does look oily. So I'm curious how it's gonna turn into foam. Let's turn my water on. Look at the consistency. Alright, so let's try to wash my face without making too much mess. Ooh, this is really foamy. Holy moly. I didn't actually think this was gonna be so foamy. Wow, I should have honestly used a little bit less product. But that's good though, because you only need like a little amount. Ooh, let me turn my water off. I didn't mean to leave that on for so long. Ooh, this is so foamy. I really like this. Right, let's wash it off.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
My bathroom like this from this angle, because I never usually do. Oh, okay. How does my face feel? Oh, my skin feels really soft. Like, softer than usual, you know? I really like this. Alright, so that's for the face wash. Now, I'm gonna take you guys back to my computer desk, because the lighting's cute with the Christmas tree, and, you know, let's do it there, I guess. I'll be back. Alright besties, I'm back. So next I'm gonna go in with this VitaGlow Niacin Toner from Face Republic. So this is how the packaging looks. And then when you open it, this is the toner. It's a cute packaging. I'm gonna take a cotton pad and put a little bit of this onto it. Oh shit, there's a little plastic thingy on top. Don't do this at home. I open everything with my teeth. Alright. Ooh, so this is brightening toner that purifies, dull, and even skin tone. Alright, I need that. My skin looks a little dead. So we need anything that's gonna help. Ooh, has a nice scent. And then I'm just gonna pretty much just pat it on my skin. Ooh. Okay, I like this toner so far. It's like stinging slightly, but not like to the point where it's like uncomfortable, you know? Alright, so that was for the toner. What else do we have? So I have this milk repair cream from, I can't pronounce this brand, so I'm just gonna link it down here for you guys. Okay, so what does this do? Oh, I can't read it. Cool. But it's apparently perfect for defense for your stressed and sensitive skin. Alright, I feel like my skin is a little stressed. Ooh, I feel like I've seen this somewhere. I feel like a lot of like the other influencers use this. I don't know, I might be wrong, but let's try it. A little peely thingy. Okay, I'm gonna apply some of this into my skin. It doesn't really have a scent. Ooh, and it is very creamy. I mean, it does say that it's a cream product. Ow! That was my arm. Ooh. Alright, I think this might be my new favorite. Okay. I really like this. Oh, don't always forget to do the neck too. Because I always forget, and then I have wrinkles on my neck. I'll do like skincare on my face, but then forget my neck, which is like really important. Okay, so I really like that. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Wrinkle Supreme Serum. This reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And it's lifting and nourishing. I need some lift in my face. Okay, another little plastic thingy. I freaking hate these. Okay, let's shake it a little bit. And ooh, I think I did a little too much. Oh yeah, still has like a very sticky, creamy texture. Doesn't feel like a typical serum. I feel like those are usually more watery. But oh my god, this is giving me like that like glazed donut skincare effect, and I'm here for it. Ooh, or maybe I shouldn't make that face. Alright. Whoa. I like this. Why do I like everything so far? It's crazy. Usually, like, I'm starting to be, like, really picky with skincare. Because I tried so many different products now. But I really like all of this. And then I already tried this last time when I did my haul. But this is avocado and olive lip balm. This stuff is really good. So this is how it looks. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of this and ooh, I love this stuff. I'm so glad that they sent me a second one. Because this is like not like too greasy and sticky. And it absorbs into your lips really fast too. Wow, I look so glowy and refreshed. So much better than in the beginning of the video. Wow. Alright, so this is, you know, the final result, I guess. Well, after trying all the different products. But I'm honestly amazed how good my skin looks. I'm gonna have to like try this combination of products again and see what happens. And then I'm also curious how my skin's gonna react to it if I'm gonna break out from any of these products. I haven't used new skincare in a couple of weeks, so if this breaks me out, we're gonna know why.